Ever felt weird eating alone or going out alone? As a Filipina, parang lagi tayong dapat may mga kasama. Friends, family, jowa. Pero ngayon, solo date night muna. And honestly, this is the most freeing, unscripted form of self-love I've ever tried. Growing up, sanay tayo na sama-sama with our family dinner, barkada hangouts. Pero kapag mag-isa ka, palaging may tanong agad na okay ka lang. Parang pagiging alone is pagiging lonely. Pero hindi naman talaga. So, doing things alone as a Filipina feels like a small rebellion. Yun kasi yung tingin nila eh. Yun yung nasa isip nila. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ka selfish. Pinipili mo lang ang sarili mo. Hindi mo hinihintay na may available para maging masaya ka or masaya sila. Solo date night taught me na hindi ko kailangan i-schedule ang joy ko around other people kasi ilang beses ko na rin sinubukan na kumain mag-isa. And okay naman. Wala namang masama doon. May times na parang nakaka-conscious kasi parang nakatingin yung mga tao sa akin. Pero hindi ko pinapansin. I am minding my business and I love being alone. And the more I'm being alone, eating alone, my favorite food, drinking my favorite drink, mas unti-unti ko nare-realize na mas okay na kumain mag-isa at walang masama doon. Ordering your favorite food without compromise and eating slowly nang walang nagmamadali, walang small talk, or walang sasabi sa'yo na bilisan mo, may pupuntahan pa tayo. You're just sitting with your thoughts. Kahit tahimik lang. Mas peaceful pa nga kung tahimik lang. But when you're alone, mas ramdam mo yung lasa ng kinakain mo, yung moment mo while you're eating alone, mas lalo na yung sarili mo. Self-love isn't always candle of affirmations. Minsan tahimik lang, minsan simple lang. Wala namang masama dun eh. It's choosing to enjoy your own company. The more you enjoy your company, the more parang unti-unti mo din nakikilala yung sarili mo. Mas unti-unti kang nagiging komportable sa sarili mo. At unti-unti mo din nalalaman kung gaano ka ba kakomportable na ikaw lang ang mag-isa. So, if I can sit with myself and be okay, that's the strength. Yun yung pinapakita mo. Strength mo na yun, na everything comes to you, you can do it alone. Mabigat man yan o hindi. So, if you're watching this and you've been waiting for someone to do things with, maybe this is your sign rather, to take yourself out. Kahit coffee lang, kahit food trip lang, kahit kumain ka lang dyan ng mga tuhog-tuhog. You deserve it. You deserve your own time. So, if this video resonated with you, you can like and share it with someone who needs this reminder. You can comment below. Have you tried a solo date or are you planning one? And you can use any of the hashtag that I will be posting here. So, para din mabasa ko yung mga thoughts nyo. And I'll be gladly read it in the next video. So, see you in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you.